to show you how I get the contact details of the businesses that I am interested in contacting at scale using AI tools. I'm going to show that to you. I'm going to do that manually, and I am also going to use these AI tools to get a list of 1,000 people at once. So the best way to get most updated contact details is through Google Maps. So let's say if I want to contact people who own supermarkets in Florida, in US. So this is my goal. This is the manual process that I'm going to show you. So to get the supermarkets in Florida, US, I'll just go search for supermarkets in Florida. So this is what I do. So this gets all the big chains. So big chain supermarkets, the contact details are very easy to find. I'll go more specific. I'll just search for Asian grocery stores in Florida. So these are my target segment. So I will just search for Asian grocery stores in Florida. I'll click on more places. So you see the list of supermarkets. We got so much of supermarkets. So let's go to Oriental Mart. So now if you go through this Oriental Mart, I got the phone number. So I can call this phone number and I can contact them and sell my services. Before I make a cold calling, I have to send them emails. So this is my workflow. So I have to give them some value. They have to know me, who I am, before I do a cold calling. All right. So this is the store phone. All right, and we have the website, we have directions, we have lot of information. So this information in Google Maps is most up to date. Customers use this information to navigate to the store. It is 100% accurate. So if I want to send them email, the email is not listed in this Google Maps, right? Emails will not be listed, so it is hidden for the general public. So what this supermarket owners will do is they usually have a website. So they have a website. In their website they will have a emails listed, okay, for support queries. So I'm going to click on this website. So they don't have a website, but they have a Facebook page. So in this Facebook page, if you can see, the same phone number is listed and the email is listed, and they have a website. So I can click on the website. So website is is down. All right. So we got the email. So I can use this email and to send some value based emails. Suppose if I got this market, this Oriental Mark as my client, what is the first thing that I'll do for them? I create that in video tutorials. I'll send them in my first email. That is my value based email. I'll send them. So I got the email here, right? krorientalmart@gmail.com. So I have to go and do this for each and every store in Florida. I have to do this process. This will take hours and hours of work. But I have an AI tool. I use an AI tool called Apify, where I get this manual process. I can do it for the entire state of Florida. I can do it I can get thousands of contact details in one go. Okay, I'm going to do that process for you. All right. So the tool that I use to do this manual process automatically is called Apify. So Apify is, so if you can see, there is a Google Maps scraper. Okay, this is the tool that gets the work that I have just done manually. This tool will will do the same work for me. I'm going to show that to you right now. All right. So I have an Apify account. It is free for you to sign up. So if you go and sign up, so if you click on login, you can sign up for free account. Okay, if you sign up for free account, you will get something like this. Okay, so in the home page you will find something called Google Maps Scraper. If you don't find it, you can just search for actors. So each and every uh, AI agent, they call it as actors. So I just search for Google Maps scraper, click this, and then I'm going to show you. All right. So I already created an actor. So this is the Google Maps scraper. You have to select this, and this is the search term you have to click here. Okay. Okay, you have to put the search term. What did I search here? Asian grocery stores, right? That is the search term that I have given here. So you have to put the Asian grocery store here. If you want to add multiple search terms, you can do it. But again, put Asian grocery store and put Florida. So that is where my target segment is. That is the place that I want to confine the search to. Okay, and the maximum number of places to extract, I am going to put 200 right now. You can put as much as you want, but you need to know this is a paid thing. For each and every Google Map location, they will charge some 10 cents to 30 cents, even a dollar. Alright, if you get 200 places, so you will see the pricing here. Google Maps is just $4 for 1000 places. That is very good deal in my case. Alright, so I'll put 200 or even 300 I'll put. Okay, but no, this will take very long time, so I'm just going to put 100. All right, then English. So in the search categories, you can put grocery store, supermarket, scrape all places, and you can just click on each and everything and search like this. Okay, categorize it, and this is very important. Scrape places only with a website. Now I know that I need to get an email, right? So if there is no website in that Google Maps listing, probably I cannot find email. So I'm selecting this, scrape places only with a website. Okay. So if you want to set a budget for this, you can set a budget, but again I have $5. This is a free account, so I have $5. If you can add as much money as you want, but again I'm going to click on save and I'm going to start it right now. So now the actor is running. So it's going to get 100 places of Asian grocery store in Florida. It's going to go to Google Maps, get all the details, and it's going to give it to me. So you can see, the actor is running. We are getting the details here. It is getting populated. It is going to take some time to get the list of 100. Maybe we have to wait 5 to 10 minutes, but again if I want to do this process manually, it is going to take, we got 50. So I'm going to show you more. So does it feel like magic? Yeah, and we got 100. So it's going to stop at 100. Oh, it's still running. It's not yet completed, so it's still running. So let it complete. So scraping finished. So you can view all the places laid out on map. Okay, it will take some time. So I would have spent $5. I have spent $5 to do this. All right, 775. Okay, so now I'll click on export. So I am going to do it on CSV. I am going to download this CSV. So I'm going to use the data that we have downloaded right now from Google Maps. So I'm going to first send them emails and then I'm going to call them. All right, so now we got the CSV, right? So I use a tool called apollo.io. This is a great tool for cold emails. All right. So of course this is going to be a paid one. Suppose if you are having one or two campaigns, it's entirely free. I'm not affiliated with Apollo.io, but I use this free version of Apollo right now. This is enough to get going with one or two campaigns. All right. So in Apollo.io, if you sign up, there will be a place called lists. So here you have to come and create a list. I'm going to type Florida brochures, yes, and I am going to upload USB that we have downloaded from Apify. Click on Apify, click on select CSV, go to recents. So this is the file that we got from Apify. We have downloaded from here. We have scraped 500 and 555 supermarkets in Florida region. So we are uploading it. So once the upload is complete, yeah, so we have around 962 records. So now we have to click on import. Once I click on import, click on yes here. Now I have to do create. So I am creating a list with the data that I got from Apify. So we got this list. So it will take some time to populate. So let's see number of records. We'll wait for some time. So I'll refresh the lists. Yeah, we have around 394. It's populating it right now. We have around 394 records. This each and every one is a valid supermarket in US, in Florida. So I am going to click this and I am going to start a emailing sequence right now. I have already created a sequence of emails. So if you click on sequence, I have already created a sequence of emails. I have not used it. So this is the sequence of emails that I have created for them. So so once this completes, they'll get list of 6 or 7 emails from me before I make them a phone call. All right. So in this lists, I am going to send. I'm going to click on add to sequence. Once I click on add to sequence, it asks me to select a sequence. We can have multiple sequences. I am selecting this sequence that I have created especially for independent supermarkets in US. I am going to select this. We need to validate the emails. If any email is not valid or it is bouncing, it will remove. This tool will remove the emails from the list. Now I am going to click on add 394 contacts. So it requires a review. People with managed email addresses. Yeah, these are the email address we got. So Ocean Market, Upsala Grocery, Patel Brothers, Victoria Grocery. So these are the supermarkets, and so we have list of 46 people. Here click on sequence 47 selections. So we don't want this. Sequence 47 selections. Now 47 contacts added to the sequence. These are 47 businesses who will receive my emails from tomorrow morning for the next 1 month. Cold emailing is a long game. The email we sent out right now will give results next year. So if I send out 1000 emails, I'll be lucky if I get one response. So that is the way that cold emailing works, and this is the great tool. So to do the same process, I should hire a person, and it will take 1 month, 30 days to do what I have done right now. So this AI tools combined with Apify, Google Maps and Apollo will save the entire process for us. uh, so now the emails will start sending. I'll show you. So there are 55. So these are the emails that will go. These are all cold emails. So if I need, I can call them. Okay, I will not call them before the emails is sent. So in the sequence there is a step where I need to call them. Maybe I can assign a person to call them, or I will myself call them. If they have responded to my email, I will ask them to book a call, and I will go to that call and I will explain my services, and probably I will get a client. So this is the process. This, if you follow this process, you are going to save lots and lots of time. All right. Thank you so much.